The joy of cooking. Actually, I just cook water. Nothing more than that. But of course, it is storming outside. Can't say anything either, huh? Yeah, no. A little light out. Yeah. Got snow spin drift on the camera. Yeah, total whiteout. I'm at the base of the super steep hill that leads to Camp 3 or whatever it is, 11,000 camp, and yeah, boy, that snow filled in the trail. That was brutal today. I mean, if I was doing 0.2 miles an hour, oh gosh, that was just, sled was like tar, the snow was sticky, but it was beautiful. So physically challenging times, but boy, couldn't have asked for a nicer day.